I'm Elliot Watson. This is my '07 Brodie Cretin. For rims, we have Alienation 440 with stock hubs, front and back. Front forks, I have Argyle 302s. They're pretty sweet. Chisel stem with, Chisel, what's the word? Headset with Travolta Husfelt stem, race face Atlas bars, the Hayes 9 brake. Travolta Husfelt cranks. I actually have a homemade seat on there.
Homemade seat. Check that out. What's it made with? Electrical tape?
Yeah, some shiny tape. Thought it looked pretty fresh, so I threw it on there.
Yeah.
For tires, I got a small block 8 in the back. Kenda K-Rad on the front.
Kind of muddy.
Little muddy. Overall, the frame's pretty sweet. I rode it for one season of hardtail downhill. Hasn't cracked. Has really no problems. It's durable, a little heavy, but I have some janky setup. I have one GT like '03 BMX grip I stole off my friend, and one PD grip that I bought, but the bolt was stripped on the other one, so that's kind of weird, but whatever.
So overall, oh, and he's got
Well-Go.
the Well-Go pedals, metal. Very nice, very nice. Overall,
It's
what's
pretty
your rating
sweet
on this bike out of 10?
Out of 10, 7 or 8.
7 or 8. That's Elliot Watson. This is his bike.